In primetime news this evening, ordered closed, illegal nursing home given notice after TVJ News exclusive.
6-year-old among 2 murdered in daring shooting incident in St. James.
And Destination East Portland, why some stakeholders in the tourism sector are calling for action.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thanks, Archie. Well, an international cruise line has announced plans for Jamaica and potential Jamaican employees. Also, it's Tuesday, but we have the latest gas prices. Motorists will get some good news in the business day.
And for what's coming up in sports, Spencer Darlington is here with a preview. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, the Jamaica Football Federation and the coaching staff for one of the national teams have been involved in some protracted contractual negotiations. I tell you what, though, there may be a resolution in sight. We'll have the details later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, what are your thoughts on the government enacting new laws to fight crime?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @TelevisionJam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.